Hey y'all. I wanted to take a minute to just expand on multiplying polynomials. From my last video, we talked about adding, subtracting, and multiplying up to binomials. I wanted to take a little bit of time to go over how to multiply if it's bigger than a binomial. So my goal for today would be to be able to multiply polynomials that have more than two terms. And I want to talk about what methods are easiest to use and how best to do this. So looking at this one here, I'm multiplying some large polynomials. Notice my second polynomial is actually a trinomial. I have three terms there. I have found that using the box is the easiest way to organize my work with this. So I'm actually going to set up a box here that's going to be 2 by 3 because I have two terms in my first one and I have three terms in my second one. I'm going to write them on the sides. I'm going to put the x minus 4 to the left here. And then across the top, I'm going to put x squared plus 5x minus 1. This is going to kind of help me organize my work and put all my pieces together. Box also makes combining like terms pretty easy. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to multiply all my pieces. X times x squared is x cubed. X times 5x is 5x squared. And x times negative 1 is negative 1x. Negative 4 times x squared is negative 4x squared. Negative 4 times 5 is negative 20x. And negative 4 times negative 1 is positive 4. Now, if you remember from the previous video, I told you that with the box, you always combine diagonally. And that holds true here as well. So if I look at this x cubed, I don't have anything diagonal in a box to combine it with. I'm going to leave it alone. I'm just going to keep it as x cubed. The 5x squared combines with the negative 4x squared to give me a positive 1x squared. Remember, we don't have to write a coefficient of 1. Then the negative 1x and the negative 20x combine to give me negative 21x. And notice this 4 doesn't have anything here, so I'm just going to leave it as a plus 4. This is my multiplied polynomial. I put all my terms together and I'm done. So the box kind of helps us organize things. First of all, we can't use FOIL here because we have way more than just first, outside, inside, last. But the box kind of helps us keep things organized as well as know which terms are like terms and can be combined. Let's try another one. So here we have x plus 2 times 3x squared minus 7x plus 4. This is a 2 by 3 again, so I'm going to draw a box that is 2 by 3. It does help to have some room to do these problems so that you can really, give yourself some room to organize and spread out your work, okay? So don't expect to do it, in a half a sheet of paper. You're going to need a little more room than that. So we're going to multiply all the pieces here. Remember that when we're multiplying an x times an x, we're adding the exponents, okay? Don't forget that piece of it. We're also multiplying the coefficients. So you can see I went through and I multiplied all the pieces there. Now I'm just going to combine my like terms. I'm going to start out with 3x cubed. Doesn't have any like terms to combine with. Negative 7x squared plus 6x squared is negative 1x squared. 4x plus negative 14x is negative 10x. And then 8 is just 8. There is my finished multiplied polynomial. Okay, so I hope this helps you a little bit organize your work and understand how to multiply when they're larger polynomials. Believe it or not, we may even get into a 2 by 4 at some point. If not this year, then definitely in pre-calc next year, which I know you're all going to take. So hopefully this has helped you and made a little bit more sense. As always, this is a production of Conalonzo Inc. We enjoy bringing you these math videos and hope that they are helping you understand the topics that we're covering in class and really help you know what's going on. So again, if you have any questions or need further information, contact us and let us know. Otherwise, have a great day.